Trust me, grammar is the most over and underestimated thing in learning a foreign language. First, there are people who only learn grammar. It means they do exercises every day, bunch of exercises, 10, 20 exercises per day, but they don't actually learn the language. And there is the second group. The second group absolutely don't learn grammar. That means they only read in this language, they listen to videos, podcasts in this language, but they absolutely don't know grammar and they make I don't know 5, 10 mistakes in a minute. And here's the question. What is better? And probably we should learn some grammar, but not every day and only basic stuff about the grammar rule. I mean, without doing a bunch of exercises. What do you think?